In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add radius trend indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the platform for the indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar of the chart window. Go ahead and click on indicator. That opens the main indicators and strategies panel where you can manage everything you add to your chart. When the indicators panel is open, you'll see several categories and, at the very top, a search bar. Instead of scrolling through long lists, we're going to use that search bar to make things quick and precise. Click into the search field so your cursor is active there. This is where we'll look for the radius trend indicator. Now, in the search box, start typing radius trend. As you type, TradingView will filter the list of indicators in real time. Give it a second to load and you should see radius trend appear in the results below. Make sure you're selecting the correct indicator with the exact name, since some indicators can have similar titles. Once you see radius trend in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added directly onto your chart. With radius trend now visible on your chart, the next step is to adjust it so it fits your trading style. To do that, hover your mouse over the indicator's name, usually shown at the top left of the chart area or along the legend. You'll see a small gear or settings icon appear next to the indicator name. Click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can customize things like colors, line styles, and any inputs the creator has made available, such as sensitivity or look-back periods. Take a moment to read the labels and tooltips so you understand what each setting does. If you're just getting started, you can stick with the default settings while you get a feel for how the radius trend indicator behaves on different time frames and markets. Finally, if you haven't already signed up for TradingView Pro, make sure to use the link in my description to create your account. That way, you'll have full access to the tools and layout needed to follow this guide exactly and make the most of the radius trend indicator in your own trading